Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can upload in your Google Drive and also share the link of the files in your Google Drive. Now to do so, all you need to do is simply log in into your Google Drive account. To upload the file, all you have to do is, after you have logged in, go into the new option on the top left corner of your screen. You can see this is a new option with a plus icon. Simply click on it and you can see all of these options appear. From here, select the type of option that suits you the best while uploading your file into Google Drive. Let's say you want to upload a singular file, click on File Upload. After that, a file explorer will open up. All you have to do is select the file that you want to upload. After that, you'll be able to see a uploading process has been started. Now, after you have uploaded the Google Drive in your Google Drive and want to share the file with someone else as well, all you have to do is select the file that you want to share, and you can see it has been highlighted. Now click on the three dots option, or simply you can also right click on it and it will show you the same option. Now there's a share option, click on it and you can either copy the link and paste it to somewhere else, or you can directly share it into someone's email if you already have their email address. And this is a simple and easy video of how you can upload your files and share it with others in your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.